Here's a new set of weird-sounding, not-so-common words found in the dictionary. Part 2 of the series. Palaver. Profuse and idle talk, or chatter. Not palaver, where the stress is in the second syllable. Say it as palaver. Bibliopole. A bookseller, especially a dealer in rare or used books. Should not be pronounced as BIBLIOPOLE, although one may mistake the first syllable as similar to the pronunciation of the Bible. Say it as BIBLIOPOLE. 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 Stultify. To render absurdly or wholly futile or ineffectual, especially by degrading or frustrating means. Not stultify or stultify, but stultify. Stultify. HAIMISH. Cozy and unpretentious, or homey. Not HAIMISH with a long E sound. Say it simply as HAIMISH. JUDDER. To vibrate violently. Similar to shudder, which has a similar definition. Say JUDDER. JUDDER. That's our second set for this series. We hope you found these words interesting, and if you're a writer, use them in your essays in the future. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you have any comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment below, tell your friends about us, and have them subscribe. Thank you and God bless.